Hello friends, welcome to my channel Being Chemistry. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So now in this video I will tell you how to calculate signal very quickly. So if you see, I have given 15 molecules, so you can try your own self, but to calculate very quickly we can use some symmetrical methods. So you can pause now the video and try yourself. I will tell you the answer. Okay, so first molecule, if you want to see the 3D version of this molecule, if you see, this is a 3-membered fused ring. You can see these 3-membered and these 3-membered are fused together like this. So to calculate signal we have different carbon atom. If you pass a plane of symmetry like this, you can see these 2 protons are same and these 2 protons are same. So we will get 1, 2 signal. Now in this molecule you can see the 3D version of that. So if you pass a plane bisecting this carbon, this carbon, this carbon, a plane, then this, a 3 carbon will be symmetric and these 2 carbons are symmetric. So we will get 1 and 2, only 2 signal, because this carbon, this carbon, this carbon all have CH2 and these 2 carbon have only CH. So 3 carbon we will get 1 signal and 2 carbon we will get another signal. So there will be 2 signal for this molecule. Now come to the third one. If you see in the third one, there is a 4-membered ring fused with 3-membered ring. You can see here also very clearly 4-membered ring is fused with 3-membered ring. Now if you pass a plane of symmetry like this, you can see this carbon, this carbon, this carbon, we will get 3 signal in C13 NMR. So by using plane of symmetry you can calculate very quickly how many 13C NMR will be that molecule have. So if you calculate for this molecule, now I will go for the 3D version of that. You can see if you pass through a plane from this carbon to this, if you bisect a plane by using this carbon and this carbon, this carbon, this carbon and this carbon will have C13 NMR. So we will get 1, 2, 3. You can see here also for this CH2, for this carbon we will get 1 signal, for this carbon we will get 1 signal, and for this carbon we will get 1 signal. So total 1, 2, 3 signal for this molecule. Now come to the Norbornene. You call this Norbornene system. If you see, there is 2 C2, there is, if you see in this molecule there will be 2 plane of symmetry. One is bisecting this carbon like this. You can see here there is a plane of symmetry like this, and one is reflecting this carbon. There is a plane of symmetry like this, bisecting this carbon and reflecting these 2 carbon. There is a plane of symmetry also. So we will get 1, 2, 3 signal for Norbornene system. If you see in this molecule, I will show the 3D version of that. You can see similar to Norbornene, we will have 2 plane of symmetry reflecting these 2 carbon and bisecting this 4 carbon. You can see a plane will be bisect this and reflect these 2. So there is 2 plane of symmetry, one is this, one is this. So we will get 1, 2, because these CH2 are repeating everywhere. So we will get 1 signal for this CH2 and 1 signal for this CH. This is CH, this is all are CH2. So we will get 2 signal for this molecule. Now come to the next molecule. If you see this molecule, 4-membered ring and 5-membered ring are fused. You can see 4-membered ring and a 5-membered ring are fused. Now how to calculate? Just pass a planar symmetry here and calculate the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only you have to calculate half of the carbon atom. Don't count all the carbon atom. You just pass a planar symmetry here, then calculate 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get 4 signal for this molecule. Now come molecule number 8. You can pass through a planar symmetry like this and also a planar symmetry like this. So we will get 1, 2, 3. 3 signal for this molecule. Now come to the molecule number 9. If you see the molecule number 9, you can pass a planar symmetry like this, bisecting this carbon and reflecting this carbon. There is a plane of symmetry like this. So we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will get 4 signal. And also this is, we have to calculate this also, because this is also different, because there is no planar symmetry like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 signal for this molecule. Now come to this molecule. If you count, there is a planar symmetry like this. You can see the 3D version also. This is seems to be complicated. You can see there is a planar symmetry like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5-membered ring. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6-membered ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is a plane of symmetry bisecting like this. So we will calculate now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will also have 5 signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come to this molecule 11. If you see, there is a plane of symmetry like this. So we will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This molecule has 5 signals. Now come to the next molecule. Molecule number 12. There is a plane of symmetry reflecting this carbon and bisecting this carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 signal for this molecule. Now come to the molecule number 13. So this is symmetrical. You can see this molecule, this part and this part is symmetrical, and there is a plane of symmetry passing through bisecting these 2 carbon and passing through this bond and reflecting these 2 atoms. That will 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 signal for this compound. Now come to the next molecule. If you pass a plane of symmetry reflecting this and bisecting these 2 atoms, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 signal for this compound. Now come to this molecule. This is symmetrical. You can see this is CH2, CH2. These 2 are CH2. This is also CH2, CH2. This is also CH2, CH2. So these are repeating units. So we will get 1, 2, 3. 3 signal for this molecule. So I will show you all the 3D models. So you can see all the 3D models. Now I also giving you homework that you can try with these molecules. Try to figure out how many signal for these all molecules, and I will upload the answer in my next video. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, comment this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.